Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about skincare on a budget, but without compromising results. A lot of you asked for DIY skincare recipes, and I actually love making these at home because they're super simple, affordable, and honestly so effective. So today, I'm sharing 5 of my favorite DIY skincare recipes that I personally use whenever my skin needs a quick refresh. These are all beginner-friendly, gentle, and made with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. All the exact ingredient measurements will be listed in the description box below. So let's get started. Let's start with something super soothing, the Cucumber plus Aloe Vera Gel Mask. For this recipe, you'll need half a cucumber, a small amount of aloe vera gel. First, peel the cucumber and cut it into pieces. Blend it until it becomes a smooth liquid. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and mix well. This mask is incredible for days when your skin feels irritated, red, or tired. Cucumber is naturally cooling and has a high water content, which helps hydrate and calm the skin. Aloe vera gel adds an extra soothing effect and helps with inflammation or sensitivity. Apply this mask for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll notice your skin looks fresh, depuffed, and soft. This is also amazing to use after being out in the sun or after wearing makeup for long hours. Next, let's move into one of my absolute favorite DIYs, the rice mask. You'll need half a cup of rice, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of honey. Rice has been used for centuries in Korean and Japanese beauty routines because it brightens the skin and helps fade dullness. Start by cooking the rice in water. When it becomes soft, mash it into a paste. Then add honey and mix. This mask instantly softens, brightens, and gives the skin a really beautiful glow. Honey is antibacterial, so it's great if you deal with breakouts or little bumps on the skin. The rice paste acts like a natural brightening agent and helps with uneven texture. Leave it on for 15 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water, and you'll see your skin looking healthy and radiant. Now let's talk about something creamy and nourishing, the yogurt almond mask. You'll need half a cup yogurt, 2 tablespoons almond powder, 1.5 tablespoons aloe vera gel. This mask feels like a mini spa treatment. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells without irritating the skin. Almond powder adds a soft physical exfoliation that brightens and improves texture. Aloe vera gel gives moisture and helps calm any irritation. Mix everything together until it becomes a smooth paste. Apply a thick layer on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. This mask is perfect if your skin looks dull, dry, or tired. It leaves the skin extremely soft, plump, and glowing. If you struggle with uneven tone or pigmentation, this recipe will become your new favorite. Now let's move on to toners, starting with the rice toner. You'll need half cup rice, 1 cup water. Wash the rice once to remove impurities. Then soak it in 1 cup of water for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, strain the water, and that's your toner. Rice toner is very popular in Korean beauty because it helps with brightening, softening the skin, reducing dullness, strengthening the moisture barrier. You can store this toner in the fridge for up to 4 to 5 days. Use it on a cotton pad or pour some into a spray bottle for a refreshing mist. This is amazing for morning skincare because it gives your skin an instant fresh glow. And the last DIY recipe is the green tea toner. You'll need 1 green tea bag, 1 cup water, a little aloe gel. Brew the green tea and let it cool completely. Then mix a small amount of aloe gel to add hydration and softness. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which help fight acne, calm redness, and soothe irritation. If your skin is oily or acne-prone, this toner will help control excess oil without drying out your skin. Pour this into a spray bottle and keep it in the fridge for a refreshing, cooling toner that you can use anytime, especially during hot weather. And that's it for today's video. These DIY skincare recipes are so easy, budget-friendly, and honestly, so effective. If you try any of these recipes, make sure to comment below and let me know which one became your favorite. And if you have your own DIY ideas, feel free to share them. I love reading your suggestions. Thank you so much for watching and for always showing so much love. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more skincare tips. Sending love from RS Skin Secret. Bye!